Ready to hear some air brake sound of 30? What's up, man? What's up, man?
What's up, buddy?
Hear that? Alright, see it, man.
Definitely sent the screenshot of the sender.
Thank you. See this back? Oh, and also, Ryan, look what's back from recall. Look what's back from the recall, 392, past recall.
Yep.
Past the recall. It passed the recall inspection, 392. It passed.
Yeah,
Recall.
who's next?
Ryan. 392.
Open.
Whoa! Your hands are cold.
What?
Your hands are cold.
They're not.
Yeah, they are.
They're not.
So we got 30 idling over here. .392 is leaving. Welcome back, 392. Nice to have you back from the recall.
You already killed everything.
No! The spider
Oh, you killed it, Nice job! Nice job! And that's how it's done.
Yep. You're supposed to kill those things! You're supposed to kill. You're supposed to kill those things. You're supposed to kill those things. How did I kill it?
Slam your
Ryan! .30's getting ready to pull away. I can focus a little bit more. Hey Ryan, ready to hear this? Hold on. What?
Holy crap! Guess what? You saw it, Brian. That's
What,
what
yeah.
gets to happen. He killed him with his book bag.
What?
He threw his book bag on the wall and he killed the tornado fly. Seriously, he did. Tell Josh, he did.
Yep. Alright, bus 30 leaving. Or could be pulling up.
Hey, this is going completely important. You better be out of here.
There goes 30.
See you later, Josh.
See ya.
Hey, we got Mr. Speedy too. Number 2.
I'm gonna start calling you Glenn.
You might see him take off, so keep recording.
I am.
I just told Gabe, I was like,
It's 8:46. 8:46 starts up. Those are pistons that you heard those pumping noises. Yep.